months, I've seen these black background motivational videos go viral. It'd be great if we could do this ourselves. Well, I decided to crack the code and teach you how to do the same with Canva. First, we will see how to create this.
Come to Canva and start by creating a new design. I will select Instagram format. Once you are on blank page, change background color to black, as most of the motivation pages use black background. Now come to Elements tab. Search for line and bring it to your design. Now the thing about this element is you can easily change the shape and size, as I have shown you in this video. This is our main design, so let me create it accordingly. Duplicate the line. Make necessary adjustment. Again, duplicate it so that we can make another element. Change its color. Now a text box. You can write some motivation text. Duplicate the text to save time. Highlight some text by changing its color. It's time to bring our character to our design. On the Elements tab, search Stick Person and go to Graphics tab. You will find this type of animated stick person. Now bring it to your design. Adjust its position. Again, duplicate and bring it downward. Here comes the main part. That is to animate. Click on the stick person. Then click on Animate. Now you need to click on this bee icon. From here, all you need to do is drag the character from one end to another, and like this. Select movement style to smooth or steady. As you can see, you have a smooth animation. Now repeat the same process for the down character as well. You should have something like this. Moving on to our next animation. This one is more about storytelling, as we will be using assets from Canva only. Search for bouncing ball. Here we have a lot of these elements to choose from. We will only choose this type of elements only. And write our motivation quote. Here is the problem. You will have hard time finding this type of elements, so here is a quick hack. Click on this three dot and click on Find Similar Items. This will save you a lot of time. Now, I will just find the elements that matches with my story.